A $30 million legal battle between Tiger Woods and his ex-girlfriend takes a new twist tonight. Erica Herman now claims Woods started the relationship when she was his employee at his Jupiter restaurant and threatened to fire her if she didn't sign a non-disclosure agreement.
Now she wants that agreement voided to go public with details of their years-long relationship. Her attorneys will argue her case in a Martin County courtroom tomorrow. Good evening, I'm Todd McDermott.
And I'm Felicia Rodriguez. Investigative reporter Terry Parker has been working this story all day. She reports from Jupiter. Terry?
Tiger Woods and Erica Herman dated for about 6 years, and for the first few years, she continued working at his restaurant, The Woods, where she was director of operations. According to her lawsuit, several years in, Woods threatened to fire her if she didn't sign a non-disclosure agreement. Herman argues that agreement is unenforceable under a new federal law saying such contracts can be voided if sexual abuse or sexual harassment occurred. Her lawyer says Woods' alleged threat to fire her if she didn't sign the contract was harassment. I asked Boca Raton attorney Jason Brody, who is not connected to the case but practices family law, what he thinks.
They were never married in this situation. And as a result, Erica didn't have any rights. And Tiger knows that, and that's why he was able to basically ask her to leave.
Herman was at Woods' side over the years, including in 2017 when he pleaded guilty to reckless driving in Palm Beach County after originally being charged with DUI. Herman walking quietly along with Woods, neither of them commenting or answering my questions. In Herman's new court filings on Friday, she accuses Woods of having his lawyer break up with her in what she describes as a scheme to evict her. Herman is suing for $30 million in damages, claiming she had an oral agreement saying she could live in the mansion for 11 years. Woods' lawyers say that ended when he ended their relationship.
Most cases in this, you see, they'd settle because people don't want their information into the public forum, especially the high profile that we all know that Tiger Woods is. You would think he'd want to keep this much quieter, but here we are, and we're sitting here talking about it today.
Indeed, we are. Now, Woods' attorneys say that this should have been all worked out privately in arbitration, which they say was part of that NDA that they say Erica Herman signed. It is unclear whether Herman will be at the hearing tomorrow at the Martin County Courthouse, and I'm told that Tiger Woods is in New York, possibly recovering from recent surgery. We will keep you updated as to what happens tomorrow. Live in Jupiter, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.